folks, the new and improved Easy1up. That's right. This is what the new capture page for Easy1up, well, at least the main corporate capture page that you're mainly given. And you can go to E1U.easymoneysite.info to go to this page, opt in, and see how the funnel flows. But this is pretty much how the page looks. And then I want you to go ahead and take a look at the sales page, the actual page that they'll see that goes over the Easy1up products. Just a minute. Here's what that page looks like. And you can see this page at E1U.easymoneysite.biz. So the opt-in page is the .info. This one is the .biz for the sales page. Very good video right here, which really sums things up in just a few minutes, there. And you'll see the products, packages are listed below, and they've been rearranged and updated, and many more trainings have been included. This is what you're now getting at the Elevation Basic Package for $30. That's still the $25 plus the $5 admin fee. It's just all included now in one cost. And you'll see here some of the lessons for that streaming video education package. Elevation Elite for $110, and you see here where it says complete opt-in page templates and social media pack. Each of them also are going to include these additional products that come with it, opt-in templates that you can use should you choose to promote the whole new Easy1up, which is now called E1ULife. As you can see, that's why you go to E1U.easymoneysite.info to access the beginning of this funnel, so you can go ahead and start the process. This is a Vertex package. You'll see what you're getting here. Like I said, everything's been updated. Far more training, very recently updated. The Vertex Elite is here. You see a few more things are included, like even your own custom logo, landing page templates. And this is your trainings. These are all the trainings. This is what you're paying for, your e-lessons. This is an e-learning curriculum, an e-learning school for online business, an e-learning school for using the internet to make a financial living online. And I do want you to know, full disclaimer, I'm not a legal financial advisor. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not an attorney. I'm just a guy who found an opportunity online that's providing me with an easier way of making some additional cash flow in addition to what I was already doing, and now to the point where this is it. I can just do this. And you'll see why from such a lucrative payment plan, should you choose to promote it. You're getting, first of all, it's an e-learning college or school where you're learning pretty much all the ins and outs of running a business online, and how to take any existing business or start from scratch. And if you don't have any ideas or anything to start from, you can actually use this Easy1up to make money. You can use this itself. You can promote it according to the level you're up to. If you're at this particular Vertex Live level, then this is the most amount that you can receive. You can receive the highest amount. And if you're at the, let's say you're at the Vertex Elite level here, where you can only receive the commission payments amount up to the Vertex Elite. You can't receive the last two with it. But also included, you don't just get that earning potential, but you also get all the training packages that came before it. So if you're on Vertex Elite, you receive all the trainings that came before it, and as well as the money. Well, how much money can you make? What's the additional, what's it like? Well, for the Elevation Basic, you can receive instant payment of $25. That's instant payment. You can get it instantly. And for the Elevation Elite, you can receive $100 payment. That's your commission, potential commission earnings. Vertex, your potential commission earnings is $250 that'll come to you. Vertex Elite, you get $500. Vertex Pro, you'll get $1,000 commissions, then that's instant, straight to you. And for Vertex Live, you'll get $2,000 instant payment commissions right to you. You'll set up your payment receivable and how you receive your payment right in the back office. It's all simple. And we're going to go ahead and take a look now at that back office once you're inside. Let's go ahead here and see. Okay, here we are. And it's just going to show you firstly, you know, your page links that you can use. There's 2 sales pages and then an opt-in page that I showed you earlier. But let's go ahead and firstly look at my products. I want you to see how the products are. Just one second while it loads up. And we'll go ahead and I'll let you look at the Vertex one first. Let's check that out. And here we are at the Vertex page. And if we just scroll down some, you'll see there's a video, and on the right hand side here are actually all the lessons. These are all the lessons for the Vertex package, and all you would do is you would just click on the one. You can see there's a lot. Like if we click on that traffic secrets, and what's going to happen is it's going to load up right here in the center here, and here we go. And all you have to do to watch a lesson, look, notice this one here, this one alone is 3 hours long. That's just one particular lesson in one of the curriculum levels. There's been a lot of time put into building this e-learning site. That's what it is. Like I said, it's a school. It's like a university, an online university. And you know, for a 3 hour long, just for one lesson, just imagine with the other lessons, you're not getting some fluff thrown together stuff here. This is real quality training and lessons here for you. And you just press play and it's just gonna start, and your first you listen to it. You can go ahead and skip to parts you want, control the volume, however it goes. And remember I talked about your downloads. Your downloads are included here, and it's just going to be depending on the lesson, on the particular product level that you're on. So you would just hit access downloads and it would go to that download page. It's loading up in just a second. And I just want you to know, it's not a slow loading site at all. It's just that I'm actually recording a tutorial on showing you how to use it. So I personally have other programs running in the background of my system that's causing a little delay here. My apologies. But here we are. And you'll see that these are where you download the different bonuses. And what these are these are other pages that you can use to promote Easy1up, should you choose to. You already got the lessons on how to start an online business. Now, like I said, if you want to just get going and start making some paper real quick and kind of faster and not have to put a whole new business together, just start reselling Easy1up itself. And it's going to pay you to come at the highest product level you can come, because that determines the instant commissions. But you do have a different set of opt-in templates other than that first one. Now remember, this is the opt-in page that comes straight out of the box. Remember that at E1ULife.easymoneysite.info. Yeah. Okay, now that's the one that comes straight out of the box. But a part of those bonus downloads, I'm going to show you just a couple of other opt-in pages you can also use. Here they are in just a second. Here's one of them. It's a little different style. Of course, the text. This is just a template. You know, you would upload it to your server, and you could change all these words and upload the video here. It could be a view, it could be the company video, or what have you. Of you just an introduction, or just telling you people what they get. Of course, all of this is editable. These words here, this image is editable. All that is editable. And this is the opt-in page, meaning the page people come in to put in their contact information so you can build that list. It's the name of the game with any, regardless of what you're selling online, you're going to want to be building a list, and you're going to want to get traffic, interested people to that list building page, otherwise known to us as a squeeze page. That's what this is, a squeeze page. And let's go ahead and take a look at another one. Let's see how this one looks. 1 second while it loads up. Totally different style here. You can see it, and again, all of that, all the text and the images here, all of that's editable. You can change it how you want. Of course, your copyright information. Nice button. Fill in the name and email. Come in a nice button, and even when you hover over, you see the change color of the button. That's pretty cool. We'll take a look at one more opt-in page. Don't want to spend too much time on this. Let's see what one of these look like. Again, a totally different style here. I love that background image, that glass building. I just really like that. I'm probably going to end up using this one. Definitely will. Test it out. You test it out by sending targeted interested people, driving traffic. And don't worry about any of these terms. How to get people, first of all, it's inside of some of the trainings in the curriculum of Easy1up. But when you join up with me, and by starting the process at E1U.easymoneysite.info or E1U.easymoneysite.biz and go ahead and starting up and picking your product level, the higher the better. I'm going to give you some additional trainings. I'm going to show you where to get all the traffic from. I got it all, quick to go traffic you can buy, and even free training that you can use to get traffic organically, meaning without paying, although it does take some time of you being on the internet. Let's go back to the main dashboard here, because there's some other things I wanted you to look at and just see about Easy1up. That's probably it. We also have a marketing hub. There's a 30 days blueprint here. There's even an autoresponder built into the Easy1up system. Everything you need is going to be here. And as I said, I'm going to be also including some bonus trainings. There's even more landing page template packs. I mean, all of this easy. And if you want to know how to upload or use any of your bonuses, don't worry. When you sign up with me, William C. Rogers, the C is for Caleb, William Caleb Rogers, I'm going to set this up for you if you want it set up. I'll set up maybe 2 opt-in pages for you and 2 landing pages for you. I'll do that for you. It's no problem until you get the hang of it on your own. I'll do it for you. Just come in with me and we'll have this set up. And as I said, the commission system is pretty simple and easy to understand. You're going to be making instant payments. You set up, you see under this part here, wait, let me show you something. You see this part that says My Account? If I click on that, it shows transaction. There's a thing here called My Payment Options. I don't want to click on it because it's going to actually show my discrete private financial information. So, but when you click on here, it's going to have where you fill in how you want to get paid, how you're going to get paid. And as I said, those payments can come in instantly. The thing you see, My Wallet, you can also enter a Bitcoin address wallet if you want to get paid via Bitcoin as an additional an additional option for customers and potential students to come on in and use, and I definitely recommend you use it. I mean, signing up for Bitcoin, getting a wallet is easy to do, and it's very free, and you just enter that wallet address there. And as you know, Bitcoin is going up all the time. I mean, you know, when someone pays you in Bitcoin, you're actually getting more money. You want to think about that. That's the main advantage of using Bitcoin as a payment option. Well, I think I've done a decent enough job of showing you the new Easy1up. Again, you can go to E1U.easymoneysite.info or E1U.easymoneysite.biz. I want you to really come on in, get some of these instant commissions, but mainly just get great training that you need on how to run a business online. Once again, William C. Rogers saying peace and light. Everything is going to be all right. See you on the inside, folks.